Do you want to remove objects from your image magically with the help of AI? In this video, I will show you how you can do it without using any software. This features was already in Google Pixel 6 or 7 series, where you can select the area and erase the object from image. This is done because of the artificial intelligence that becomes so vast that it can detect image pixel by pixel and remove objects just like a magic. So let's get started. Search for the Magic Eraser. You will Magic Studio URL on the top. Click on it. I am using one sample image to show you how this is going to be work. Click on Upload Image. Choose your image. Select the brush and then carefully select the area that you wanted to erase. Click on the Erase button. Wait for its processing. And boom, it's gone. You can click on this eye icon to check its before and after picture. Let's try with one more image. This one is actually difficult. Tool try to remove this water droplet from the leaf. Select the area. I am clicking in the erase. Let's see what happens. That's really impressive. Click on the download image. If you want high resolution image and you need to pay for it, but you can download this in low resolution. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button to get more such videos.